Adding a framed screened porch during new home construction gives you a year-round outdoor living space that cuts bugs and increases usable seasons. Plan the footprint and orientation first so the porch gets optimal sun and shade for your climate, and place doorways to connect directly to main living areas for flow. Use pressure-treated or naturally rot-resistant framing like cedar or cypress, and specify stainless steel fasteners to avoid corrosion in wet conditions. Choose a heavy-duty mesh such as PVC-coated polyester or stainless steel insect screening for longevity and reduced tearing, and consider insect-resistant screening that blocks smaller pests while remaining breathable. Install roll-down or architectural storm screens on exposed sides to add wind and rain protection without enclosing the space permanently. Select guides and bottom rails that drain and lock to resist wind. Design the roof and flashing so water sheds away from the house with a continuous waterproof connection at the header, and consider a slight slope on the porch floor toward a designated drain or scupper to avoid puddling. For year-round comfort, include ceiling fans to move air in summer and a properly sized electric or gas outdoor rated heater for shoulder seasons, and run dedicated circuits during construction to avoid future rewiring. The three most common mistakes are poor drainage that leads to rot and standing water, underestimating insect pressure so the screening fails to stop pests, and weak planning for year-round comfort that leaves the space unusable in shoulder seasons. Fix drainage by sloping the floor 1/4 inch per foot toward a discrete drain or outlet, and by installing flashing at all house connections so water cannot soak the band joist. Avoid screening failures by choosing durable mesh and fastening it with heavy-duty spline and tensioned frames, and test sample pieces for tear and ultraviolet resistance before buying large rolls. Prevent comfort problems by wiring for fans and heaters during construction, sizing heating devices to the porch volume, and adding roll-down screens to reduce wind chill so the area is usable outside peak summer. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like screened porch upgrades, so we make it easier to find local professionals and compare approaches. We also host an active discussion community where we share real project photos, contractor experiences, product recommendations, and step-by-step tips to help both homeowners and contractors make informed choices.